Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Process Monitor on Windows 11 step by step. A Process Monitor is a powerful Microsoft Sysinternals tool that lets you monitor file activity, registry changes, process events, and thread activity in real time, making it an excellent utility for troubleshooting Windows and application issues. So let's get started. First, download and open Process Monitor on your Windows 11 computer. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes to run the application with administrator privileges. The first time you launch it, accept the license agreement, and Process Monitor will immediately begin capturing system activity. Next, you'll notice that events are generated continuously. To make the information easier to analyze, click the Capture button on the toolbar to pause recording while you configure your filters or prepare the task you want to monitor. Now open the Filter menu and select Filter. Create a filter for the application or process you want to investigate by specifying its process name, then click Add and OK. This removes unrelated events and helps you focus only on the activity you're interested in. Resume capturing by clicking the Capture button again, then perform the action you want to analyze. Afterwards, stop the capture and review the recorded events. Double-click any event to view detailed information, including the process name, operation, path, result, and timestamp. If needed, save the captured log from the File menu so you can review it later or share it for troubleshooting. And that's it. You now know how to use Process Monitor on Windows 11 to monitor system activity and diagnose Windows or application problems more effectively. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next